Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Today I've got my ninja cap on with a volumizer. Volumizers are optional. I am using a Georgette material fabric. Right, so with this style you need to grab the end of the scarf and place it over your head and make sure there's no creases. Try to neaten the creases out as much as possible. It does take a bit of time. Use one of these snag-free pins, clips, and secure your hijab. As you can see, you've got this long piece of material. Right, so what we're doing here is just grabbing some fabric from the back and pulling it forward to create a crease, a layer. Grab yourself one of these straight pins and place it I've placed it there, but you can go a little bit lower. Grab another straight pin and secure the both sides of the hijab. So grab yourself and pull some fabric from the back again. Just repeat the process again. Just line it up. Just make sure you don't have any creases. Try to line it up as much as possible with the previous crease and pin it. Try to get the same coloured straight pins as your hijab. As you can see, mine are red and my hijab is this colour. All you have to do is repeat the same process. Pull the fabric from the back and create a crease layer. You can create as many as you like depending on the fabric that you have at the back. This hijab, fabric that I've got, is a long one. So I've been rushing it a little bit here because I've got my kids downstairs, getting a bit impatient. Got my young ones. And then just do the same process. Just take some fabric and move it full, place it on top of your head, creating another crease. With this one, what I've done is I have creased, I have put the sorry, I have placed the hijab this one diagonally, because what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and cover the pins as much as possible. This is what I was trying to say to you at the beginning of the video, is that if you place the pins slightly lower than I have, they will get covered completely. and it will give you a much neater look. As you can see, I still have plenty of fabric there. With this, you will have to play around a little bit. What I tend to do is just stick another pin just there. But you will still have a lot of fabric left, quite a bit of fabric left at the end. You can put it over your head, as I'm just going to do it here. Put it over your head, or you can put it around your neck like I have, but obviously you've got to play around to make it as neat as possible. See, so with this fabrics poking out, you will have to pin them in place. You will need quite a few of these straight pins. I think I used about maybe 10 pins, but at least it gives you that security that is there, you know, in place, and it won't move around. This style is great for, you know, everyday style. If you've got the time, it's great for everyday style. So there's something that I'm not really happy about here. See, with this, it doesn't look as neat as I hoped for. So, you know, you will need a bit of playing around just to get it as neat as possible. There we go. I think I'm slightly happier here. But maybe not 100% as I haven't got it as neat as possible around my neck. I will be uploading another video just to a bit neater to show you around the neck how you can get a bit neater. I was getting a bit impatient here because my children. So yeah, hope you like it. Yeah.